Is that my car? Yes, it is. Okay, we're back with Uncle Keith. And look at this. This is going to be an amazing video, guys. Keith, what are we doing with it?
Can't tell you.
Can't tell us? Okay, so I'm pretty sure because it's actually a very clean car and there's not many defects on it, are there, Keith?
No.
Well, it must mean that it's having a liquid wrap. So this is the start of the video. This is what it looks like before. I will see you when Keith's put a bit of effort in, shall we?
In a couple of days.
In a couple of days.
Strip some bits off it, minimal, like we do, but
Yeah.
we're going to take handles out, mirrors off, front bumper off.
It's a beautiful car, and I'm sure some people recognise it already.
Can't talk about the colour.
Can't talk about the colour. Okay, so as you can see, it's changed colour. So this is what we're going to call the base coat.
That's silver now.
That's silver.
Yeah, silver over white.
Silver over, so there's a white base coat, then silver, and then it's sort of time to put some colour on it. But like I always say halfway through these videos, that looks all right, that, don't it? Just like that. Love it. Right, we'll check back when we've got a bit more colour to show you. Well, I'm telling you, this is pretty purple. And the reason that I've not been filming Keith spray this is because the amount of hard work that's gone into this car. I've tried to somewhat stay out of the way because this has been one monster of a job and it's absolutely stunning. Now in here, obviously, you know that we've got the lights from in the booth, but I cannot wait to see this car built up and in the sunshine, because that's blowing me away, and I don't think that I can really do it justice in these lights. But that is probably, and I know you guys hear me say it every single time, but that's because I'm amazed with the quality of work that Keith does. But I've never seen anything look as cool as that. I genuinely haven't. This is going to be something spectacular. So we will go and grab Keith in a bit. We'll let him have a tea break, shall we? And then we'll speak to Keith and see how he feels about the amount of effort that he's put into this, because the man has worked hard. Well, it's raining here in Nuneaton, but the main part of the car is completed and it looks phenomenal. I just want the sunshine to come out. Like I said in the Supra video, I need the sun. It's raining and I need the sun to come out and that it can be shown off. It's an amazing colour. Already I love the colour. It's something that I would choose, but when that sun hits it, oh yes.
Oh my days!
See, the mood lighting works.
Do you think you'll be disappointed? No. Wow. Just wow.
Mate, against the carbon.
Yeah.
Wow. That looks stunning. Absolutely stunning. Oh my god.
Is that good face?
I actually feel a little bit emotional.
Do you? Is it that good?
Mate, it's stunning.
Is it?
It's fucking stunning. Wow.
Happy.
It's not even my car.
We did it. We've got to do it.
It's, oh mate.
We ready? Dad, I gotta open the door?
Ready? Yeah,
Oh, I think Keith might open the door. Are you opening the door, Keith? Here we go. The moment, the big reveal. S2000. That's one purple car. Woo!
Oh my god.
Well, that is one purple S2000.
But everything looks different.
Do you like purple?
I love her.
Oh, yes!
Absolutely stunning. Like, it's everything I wanted and more.
Mate, how cool does the front end look with the car?
It's just stunning. Look at, oh my! Wow. Wow. Uncle Keith. And all of you.
It's very purple.
I can't wait to see the sun.
That's it, you know. The sun.
Oh, look at the argument. That's the view. Look at that. Oh my fucking god.
That's sick,
I
mate.
can't believe it. I literally can't believe it. It's getting a bit emotional. It's amazing, like it's fucking amazing. That's everything I wanted it to be. Everything.
It's ace,
I've never seen one in that purple.
No.
Ever. They're always dark purple. Boring purple.
mate.
Boring. Oh, where's the that is just like, it's absolutely stunning. And I can't believe it's not paint still. When we say it all the time. But, oh my god, mate. We've like smashed it.
Yeah, it's as good as you're going to get without actually.
Absolutely. Is that my car? Yes, it is!
Because it's candy, we'll get the dark and the light a lot more sun. And like I say, it has got, yeah, it will dramatically change it. And you should also get like blue flake in it as well, which you can see. Yeah, that's what I mean. And that's what will then pop and give you that last bit of everything the colour is, if you get what I mean.
Mate, I can't literally. I remember like, when we did it, we finished it, got all the bits painted when it was silver, we bolted everything on and sorted out the stance and all that. And we both stood back and I was like, mate, I can't believe my car, this is like.
Another level again, yeah.
I was just saying to Danny, you know, this is. I know it's only one. I can't believe it's my fucking car. I've literally made up. It's fucking amazing. Look at that though. That's just fucking amazing. That's fucking amazing.
It's so good with the roofs down, mate.
Does, doesn't it?
It really does.
Straight out of Fast and Furious, that bad boy.
It is pretty badass with the roof down.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Well, that's the end to another Uncle Keith's paint shop video. And if you didn't already know, the Cowbunga Car Diaries S2000 is now a stunning Foot Clan purple. I know the boys are going to enjoy driving that. The transformation is unreal. So we're ever so happy here at Uncle Keith's. It's been a long week, hard work, and we've got the result that we want, which is a total shock transformation and some happy chappies. So thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.
And I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.